Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting ttml file to SRT. On my computer you can see I have a ttml file. I'll double click to open it and you can see it's showing me, it's a free app, it's showing what is inside of ttml file, and you can see it has a subtitles, data, start time, end time and text. And I will be using this ttml file. Also I can open it into let's say Notepad+. And you can see it has all this begin, end, and text data in it. I will be converting this ttml data to SRT with application. I will download from this website. I will leave link on site into description. To find application, I will click on search and type ttml to SRT, and I need this create SRT file. I will click on ttml to SRT link, then click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I'll be recording more videos on subtitle converter from different formats into different formats. So if you're interested in such videos and such applications, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, sometimes Google Drive cannot scan it for viruses right away, but I like to use Google Drive. It's rather slow, but it's slow because before releasing file to customer, it scans for all possible threads in it. So this is why I like it. Sometimes, however, it cannot. It's very busy and it cannot scan, and it returns that, hey, I cannot scan this file. But otherwise, most of the time it scans files, so they're safe. And this is why I like to use Google Drive, because I'm sure file is safe. So click on downloaded zip archive, double click on MSI, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. Have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select ttml file to convert. I will click on this button, click to select input file, and navigate to my subtitles files and select my ttml subtitle. Right? Click on next step. There is no conversion options here yet. I'll just click on next step, and final step I'll be just click run to, as it's asking me for name and location file. This name and location file is okay. Click save. And you can see file has been created. Then let's go and see file. I can double click on it and open to open it into SRT viewer. It's also free app. It's showing me what is inside of SRT file, and also allow me to export SRT file to different formats as well. It's free app. It's similar to ttml viewer, but you can see all subtitles has been converted properly, and yeah, everything is in here. So, and also ttml viewer also allow me to export into different formats such as Excel, Word, and so on. I will leave links to application and to viewer in the description to this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.